All right, guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks. This is going to be another quick video. I'm hoping. What I got to do is there's going to be on me isolating these frogs, and we're going to do that by putting a cut across these two here. As you can see, I already did the PC ties and a cut right there. We're going to use this jeweler saw. This is the widest blade that these guys sent me. It's a number 2. Number 2. So I'm going to take the tension off of this thing. And this is the fun part. Yeah, I'm gonna change this around. I wasn't too happy with the way I had this blade. All right, so you got these two ties. These are PC ties right there. I got to get in the middle of these things. Make sure you're in between the PC ties. All right. This is the fun stuff, guys. Come on. The best part is you're going to watch me do the first one ever. I usually try to demo this stuff before I come on, so I don't look like a complete idiot. But hey, why should I change now? All right. No, I gotta loosen this up more. Yep, that's nice and tight. All right, this kit I got off Amazon only because no one around here sells this. So this should be interesting. Apparently there is a right way and a wrong way to put a blade on one of these saws. And apparently I just did put it on the wrong way. All right, so I'm going to pause this, come back, reset, and go forward. All right, so now I got it set up right. All right. You don't have to cut on the draw. All right. And this cuts pretty good, I'll give it that. There we go. Let me tell you, this little kit, pretty cheap. And I can definitely see where you definitely need this to do this kind of work. You're not doing this. Coping saw might be a little bit too rough. But let's see. Where are we? There we go. See those spaces? Yeah, we cut those out. All right, so let me reset, and we'll be back, and we'll cut the other piece. All right, guys. So I got that corrected. Let me tell you, that little clamp right there is really helping out. Alright. And that's that. Now we're through. Alright, so that's that part of it. Alright, so we cut these gaps. I don't really have any way to get in there and widen them. So they are what they are. And we'll go from there and see what happens. Hopefully it's fine. And we can continue on with this layout extravaganza. Alright, that's the end of that. So that's that. You can see it's cut through. And supposedly good enough. So let's just clean that up a little. As they say that's the space that you need. So I got that space in there. Hopefully that works out. And I mean, it is pretty thin of a space. So I'll give it that. But yep, the gap you should cut in there. So now that frog should be isolated. So now what I have to do is I got to power this frog. So I chose this spot right here to power it. So let me reset everything here so I get a little more room to work, and get my wire out and we'll set it up. All right, guys, welcome back. What we did here is we went into the Hot Tracks Bible, and I looked up the colors. And the colors are for the track are red, yellow, green, and I believe the fourth line is blue. That would be very similar to N tracks, and I'm going to go with it's very similar to that. So what we're doing here is usually these droppers for these are usually green, but since green is already a wire that's going to be run on this thing, a color code is going to run this to get rid of any confusion and to make things more complicated, I'm going to add another color. I'm going to add white. All right, I'm doing about 8 inches. And what we're going to do here is we're going to tin this up, and we're going to attach this to the layout. Attach this to the turnout. And then when when I install this onto the layout, onto the module, what I'll do is I'll look at this again. When we install this into the module, what I'll do is I'll lay these out, mark them first, and then come back in and drill a hole and then put these in place. I gotta get a fan for down here. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Nice what you got. Good flux. Alright, so I tinned a lot more than I need. But that's okay. Kind of what we need to do. Turn this around so you can get a look at what we're doing here. Clean tip is important. So I'm on. All right. That looks good. Give it a yank, and the PC tie fails. Great. All right. All right. So that stinks because that PC tie, I must have overheated it when I did this the first time. So that's not going to work. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to do the next best thing. I'm going to take my tool. I'm going to clean this off. I'm going to re-tin this thing. Good thing I got 8 inches. Hey, like guys, like I told you, I'm going to show you everything, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I'm going to try to keep my face off of here so you don't get to see the big ugly. I'm going to do a little solder on here. That looks good for that. That's enough. That's enough flux. There we go. That's soldered in there. You know something? I have tools. I don't know why I don't use them. Hold on 1 second. All right, so here I am working backwards here. Where I want to be. All right. A little tug. That's a good connection. Pass it through the hole. And there we go. That is one isolated tie that is now powered. I'll do the rest off camera so you don't have to sit through this excruciatingly painful procedure. All right. Thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. We are probably at the point of doing the giveaway. Look on the look on my channel. There'll be directions on how to enter the giveaway. I'm going to do the giveaway at 50, and it's not going to be. It was too hard for me to figure out the first 25 guys the last time. I'm just going to. You're just going to have to reply to that video, and then when we hit 50, I'll pull out of that pile. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. And as always, catch you later.